Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have a simply carbon fiber case here for my Samsung Galaxy S24. It's been a minute since I've done a Galaxy case review, but they were kind enough to send this out for review, and definitely been dying to show it off to you a little bit here. So if you're interested in buying this case, they do come in different colors. There's a blue, there's purple, pink, green, you name it. But you can go to my link, which is simplycarbonfiber.com/Roy, and you'll be able to check out all their cases, and they have a really good Black Friday sale going on right now as well. But anyways, this is the forged carbon fiber case. Now it's got the blue flakes in it, so this is a genuine carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber case with blue aluminum flakes that are also inside of this, which just makes it look pretty unique and different looking. On the interior, not too much going on. There is no MagSafe magnets or anything like that, unfortunately, built in. But this is what is going up against the phone. A little bit of some flexing there, which is nice to kind of give it that kind of just a little bit of a forgiveness there. But let's grab the S24 here and let's slap it on. So just gonna push it in like I normally do, and that is all she wrote. So there's the case installed. It's very, very slim, I gotta say that. Looks really good though. Like I said, if you are a fan of carbon fiber, then you're obviously gonna really, really like the look of this. And with those aluminum blue flakes in there to give that little extra pop, I think just makes it look really nice. The camera bump cutout here is also pretty simple. So as you can see here, little dedicated cutout there with a little extension there for the flash, but a little bit of some lips there. They are recessed in there, so we're not going to have any issues with camera protection or anything like that. The back is a little glossy. So is it slippery? Not so much, I wouldn't say that. And fingerprints aren't going to be an issue. The only thing that I've noticed with my time with it is maybe smudging a little bit, but nothing too crazy. I mean, literally this is one of the easiest cases just to kind of wipe down even with your hand, and makes it look brand new again. And then we do have some Simply Carbon Fiber branding there, so the SCF there as well. Now on the sides here, we do have a really nice grippy pattern right here. Like, I really, really like the way that this feels. It's very, very grippy. And then we have a power button and our volume up and down button, which are raised as well. And as you can see here, there is that kind of split of a more glossy black and then this more matte finish black as well. So just something to kind of point out there. And then if we move down to the bottom here, you can see that we do have a nice cutout for our USB-C charging port and our speaker. And once again, you can see that kind of 50-50 there. And then here on this side, we just have that whole entire grippy pattern. And I gotta say that just feeling it and holding it in the hand, especially here on camera, it's just reminding me of just how grippy this case actually is on the sides. And up here at the top, we do have our cutout there for the microphones up there. So if I do it at this angle, you're going to be able to see that it does have lips going around the whole entire screen. And it is tempered glass friendly as well. I do have a full tempered glass screen protector installed. No issues at all with it. So it looks really, really nice. It's very, very slim as well, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and do the wobble test here. So putting it face down, no shaking going on at all. And if we go back down, well, no shaking going on at all either. So passes the wobble test with flying colors. So next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So we'll start with the power button. Okay, very clicky. And volume up and down. Very tactile as well. So no complaints at all with the clicky buttons. So with it not having MagSafe, the only downside is that obviously if you have MagSafe accessories or a MagSafe charger like I do here, then it's not gonna, adhere. But putting it on, you can see that it clearly is wireless charging compatible. So if you have a Qi wireless charger, Qi 2 wireless charger, or a MagSafe charger. Obviously that acts as a wireless charger, but I just want to point out that it does wirelessly charge with no issues at all. So you're getting a very good charging experience, wired or wireless. So once again, just kind of pointing that out to you. So with all that being said, what do I think? So one, like I said, if you're someone who likes carbon fiber cases, like forged carbon fiber, traditional kind of lace style carbon fiber, then you're gonna love Simply Carbon Fiber cases. Like I said, just to be able to get a genuine forged carbon fiber case that's got aluminum flakes in it and all that. I mean, that just sounds too technical, but it is kind of like very beautiful, right? I mean, it's a really nice, well put together case that has a really great grip and just all around just looks really nice as well. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the next one.